Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making meat pie. I'm going to show you how to make meat pie without oven. Even if you don't have an oven at home, you can always replicate this formula and end up with very tasty meat pie. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and let's get right into it. Okay, so guys, these are all the ingredients you will need to make your meat pie filling. So you need to start with heating up some oil. You fry the onion, then you add the minced meat to fry. So you have to fry it until it changes color from raw to cooked, as you can see. Then you add your scotch bonnet pepper and all the seasoning I showed you earlier. You can just season to your taste. Then add the carrots and Irish potatoes. Then once you've stir it a little, then add water to cook the carrot and the Irish potato till soft. So while this is cooking, you can move over to your dough. To make the dough, you need flour as usual. I use 4 cups of flour, and then I use the 250 grams of butter. So inside the flour, you put your baking powder, your salt, and your sugar, then mix in with the butter until it forms a breadcrumb, as you can see. Then you make a hole in the center and add your milk and egg. I use just 1 egg. Then you knead this until a perfect dough is formed. Then if it's hard, you add a little water until you get the texture. It doesn't have to be hard, just texture has to be okay. Then for the filling, you have to mix one spoon of cornstarch inside water and add into the filling that is cooking, so that it thickens the sauce for you, as you can see. Then you cover this to cook for a minute, and then I will show you what it looks like. So this is it. This is what it looks like when it's ready. You set this aside, then bring out your dough and continue kneading for some time. Then divide it into equal parts. I don't know, 5, 4, 6, 7 equal parts. Then bring out one, roll it out. At this point, you get your meat pie cutter. Guys, this is really cheap. I bought this for I think 200 naira or something. So they sell it everywhere, just meat pie cutter. You just place your meat pie inside the one you rolled out. Just place it on top of the meat pie cutter. Then place your filling with a spoon. Put in your filling, then press to seal. Then that's all. When you open it, it comes out like this. You can seal the edges of the meat pie with water before you close it. Let me roll out another one and show you what it looks like. You add your filling, then you close. So when you close, you press, the excesses will drop. You remove them and press it, then open it and remove it. This is what it looks like. You set this aside. So I'm going to do the rest of camera and show you what it looks like. This is it. This is what it looks like. So we're ready to bake. So guys, to bake, all you need to do is add a little sand or salt, like a cup of sand or salt, as you can see, inside a pot, and heat it up for about 5 minutes. Then grease your pan with butter, place some baking sheets inside, then place the meat pie. For the egg wash, I used 1 egg and a teaspoonful of vanilla flavor. Brush the meat pie with it, then place that inside the pot that is already heated. Cover it to bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. Then this is the second batch now. You can also cover the pot with foil if you feel the heat is not well trapped. Then when you bake this for about 40 to 45 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'm showing you both the front and the back, so you see what it looks like. But it's never the same. Well baked. This is what it looks like inside. So guys, I'll be in the comment section to take any question you might have. I made a pineapple drink to go with this. Let me know if you want to know how I made my pineapple drink. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.